Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
According to Hakka tradition, the 25th day of the 12th lunar month is the start of the Chinese New Year holiday. Everyone gets ready by cleaning the house, buying goodies, and preparing traditional Hakka dishes. The festive ambiance continues until the last day of the New Year break.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It's a new year, it's a new beginning, and for Talk About Hakka, we're going to let Leo bring us into the world of Hakka a little bit more starting this year. 希望 Leo 呢，你自己本身是客家人呢，多跟我们聊一些客家文化，让你来带出这个
好啊
事情，好不好？
沒問題啊。
How do they prepare themselves for the Chinese New Year? 他們怎麼準備這個過年？
其實呢，習俗跟一般的其實是差不多的。
差不多。
不過我們在24號27號的時間因為香港重要嘅儀式，很重要的儀式就是要送灶神、送周神呀。
送周神呀，灶神我知道，这是那个管厨房、管煮饭的那个神，对不对？This is a very special god in this culture. It's actually the cooking god. And on the 24th day of the last month of the lunar calendar, the Hakka actually pay respect to this cooking god. 所以到底要对他做一些什么事情呢？
嗰時送周神呀的時間因為要給當年老人哋相處沒有，他每天跟我們相處，所以他都知道我們家裡有哪些缺點，哪些不好的地方。對，所以呢，就是希望他上天庭的時候就得講好話，說好話，所以我們都要弄甜的給他吃。
Oh, okay, that's very cute. The Hakka would actually cook up a lot of sweet delicacies, sweet food for this god, because so that when he returns back to his heavens, he would say good things about the family. 客家人其實很早就開始所謂的這個入年啊。
對，差不多從25號25號的時間就可以是年家。
年家。Usually we start our New Year's celebration on New Year's Eve, but the Hakka traditionally started about 5 days earlier on the 25th day of the last month. 那結束的時候大概就是
到嘅正月初五的時間，就是正月初五的時候，叫做春年假。
所以一個是入年假，一個是出年假。
沒錯。
Okay, that means the end of the Chinese New Year celebration, which happens on the 5th day of the New Year. Let's review some of these terms. The cooking god,
周神呀，
周神呀, and then the beginning of Chinese New Year,
年家,
and then the end of it, as you get out of it,
春年家,
and then don't forget to cook up some sweet rice cakes,
甜板.
Okay, there you have it. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.